Hello, my name is David Carlos from Victoria Air Photos and Survey, and today we're just going to talk a bit about the power and the practicality of drones to be used for tower inspection specifically. And so we're just going to show a few examples of the capability they have to inspect the structure of the tower before you would send crew up there, and be able to do line of sight surveys for things like cell phone towers. The drone is able to get to a place very quickly to these high areas that are otherwise dangerous to traverse and risk prone. And we're able to get in tight with professional cameras that are able to see in really good detail the kinds of issues that you can spot in towers, including bird nests. Here's a tower we did that was located on a private property. Using thermal and RGB imagery, we're able to capture data of it. This is about situational awareness and making sure that we can safely inspect utilities the smart way using professional grade RPAS. Here's another cell phone tower. And the signals and radio interference from them do not conflict with typical spectrums on RPAS. And again, with the thermal palette, we're looking for anomalies for heat that could indicate trouble or shorts, etc. We use RTK to help position. As you can see, we get really close to some of these structures, and you want to make sure that you can really hold your position accurately. If you don't have RTK, you can lose your GPS hold and drift right into the tower antenna arrays and so on. So again, you have to have professional equipment and expertise to do this properly, and we always stress that at Victoria Air Photos and Survey, where we can provide excellent drone services for you and your applications. Thanks for joining us.